I really believe that creativity is in all of us, and with this exhibition and the drawing, the purpose is to inspire people to find their own creative pulse. I'm really glad to be partnering with Crayola and the Franklin Institute to highlight the creative energy that Philadelphia has, and I'm also super grateful for the opportunity to be able to showcase my own artwork as well. Everything you see in this drawing is a reflection of what's in Crayola IdeaWorks. It has sea, it has land, it has space, and you'll really get to experience those things once you're in IdeaWorks.
Part of the mission of the Franklin Institute is to inspire and empower people of all ages to explore and feed their curiosity, ask the what-if questions, and continually find innovative solutions to problems they may or may not have even known existed. Success in science requires a creative mind, and this World Record Initiative is a fantastic way to not only highlight the creativity of one particular individual, but also to inspire the entire region to come to the Franklin Institute and discover their own unique creative strengths through this incredible world premiere exhibition.